Now students, so next in this measurement we are going to do workbook problems. In this workbook problems, first we are going to do some measurement of length. Measurement of length. How to measure length, length of a object, length of a place, length of things. So basically the measurements of length, so we have 4 units to measure. So one is millimeter, the second one centimeter, the third one meter, the fourth one kilometers. Very smaller units to measure length is millimeters. Bigger than millimeters, centimeters. Bigger than centimeters, meters. Bigger than meters, kilometers. Okay, kilometers are the larger units to measure. Okay, the first question, tick the correct unit, so that should be used for measuring the following. So here 3 units are given, so which one we use to calculate means measure the length, so we have to make a tick mark. Okay, first, length of a pairs of scissors, so which units we are going to measure, either centimeters or millimeters or kilometers. So length of a scissor, see there, see in the scissor, so the pair of scissors we have to calculate using centimeter scale. So no need to take meter scale is very long scale, no need to take meter scale, and kilometer is a very larger length. So only centimeter scale is enough to measure the length of pair of scissors. So centimeter is the right answer. Centimeter is the right answer. Then the second one, length of a room length. So which units we are going to measure, which units we are going to take to measure length of a room, either centimeters. Centimeters are very small units, we cannot use a small scale to measure complete length of a room. It's impossible to take a small scale and measure. So meter, so meter is a larger than, bigger than the centimeters, we can use meters. Kilometers are the bigger scales, bigger units, so we cannot use these kilometers. So the room is not 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer length. Okay, so it is impossible in kilometers. So meters, we are going to take meter scale and measure length of a room. Meters, this is the right answer to measure length of a room. Length of a scissor in centimeters, length of a room in meters. Then after that, distance on the road, how much distance you traveled on the road. So it is in kilometers, not in meters. Distance means it is so far distance. So very long distance you traveled, then so we are going to measure with a long scale, that is kilometer scale. Centimeters are very small scale, so meters it is bigger than centimeters, and kilometers are the larger scale. So distance on the road is very longer length, very longer distance. So far distances we can use kilometer scale. So this is kilometer is the right answer. Then after that, one more question is given in your textbook. So what is that question? So the length of a tumbler glass, so glass tumbler. So the glass tumbler, that is in, so a small unit, we can use centimeters for that. The next question answer is centimeter, that you do as your assignment. Okay. Now in the second question, so circle the most approximate length of the following. Approximate length of the following we have to circle. In the first question, a blackboard. See in the picture, blackboard. So what is the length of the blackboard? 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter means only this much. It is very small. It's not possible. 2 kilometer means it's a big length. It's also not possible. Then the length of a blackboard is approximately 2 meters. Circle this one, 2 meters. Okay, circle 2 meters. Approximate blackboard length is 2 meters. So 2 centimeters is very small, and 2 kilometers is very long. So that much long blackboard we don't have. So this much small length of a blackboard we don't have. So 2 meters blackboard length is in meters. Okay. Now a keyboard, length of keyboard. So keyboard, see in the picture, keyboard length is 45 meters. It is so long. For 45 kilometers it is again so long distance. So keyboard length is approximately 45 centimeters. So this is approximate answer, 45 centimeter. We can measure keyboard in centimeters. So keyboard length is in centimeters and blackboard length is in meters. Okay. Now students, see here, So in this, which measuring instrument will these people normally use? Here two types of measurement instruments he has given. One is a ruler, other one is measuring type. The first person, she is a tailor. So what she is going to use, ruler or measuring type? So tailor, she is having measuring tape. Using measuring tape, she can measure. So the second one is the answer, measuring tape. So in the second person, sports person. So for long jump, high jump, whatever it is, so they use measuring tapes to calculate how much length, how much distance, so they covered in long jump, so and so how much distance they run. Sports person, generally they are using measuring tape. Okay. The third one, architecture. So here architecture. So architecture, he used scale. He used to scale to draw pictures. Okay, scale. The third one is scale. Architecture, he is going to use scale, and sports persons, they are using measuring tape, and so tailor, she is going to use measuring tape. Okay. Now the next one is addition on meters and centimeters. Meters and centimeters, so we have to add. Then how to add meters and centimeters? First one, 63 meters 35 centimeters, 16 meters and 42 centimeters. Then how to add? First we have to add smaller units. In that extreme right digit we have to add. 5 plus 2 is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7, 3 plus 6 is 9, 6 plus 1 is 7. 79 meters, 77 centimeters. Okay. Here. Now, we have to add centimeters, smaller units first. In that extreme right digits, we have to add. 7 plus 2, 9. 7 plus 1, 8. Then 89 centimeters. Now, 7 plus 2 again 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 99 meters, 89 centimeters. Okay. So this is our addition. So in this addition, one more question is there. So that is your home assignment. Now, the next one, subtraction meters in centimeters. Addition part is our now subtraction part. Then we have to subtract centimeters first. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. 12 centimeters. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 22 meters, 12 centimeters. Then the second one, extreme right digits, centimeters, we subtract first. 4 minus 4 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. Next, 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 10 meters. 10 meters. Now, this part. So, centimeters part we have to subtract first. Extreme right digit we have to subtract. 7 minus 1 is 6. 8 minus 7 is 1. 16 centimeters. Now, 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 11 meters, 16 centimeters. Now, in the D, question number D. So, now we have to subtract extreme right digit. That is 7 minus 3 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. 44 centimeters. Now, 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. 43 meters, 44 centimeters. Now this is not addition, this is subtraction. Keep subtraction sign here. Okay. So, there is no addition here, subtraction sign. Minus sign we have to keep. Don't keep positive sign here, negative minus sign. Why? Because here subtract is given. Okay. Here also subtract, negative sign, minus sign. Now, centimeters we have to subtract first. 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. 24 meters, 43 centimeters. So, in subtraction more one question is there that you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now, the next concept is measurement of mass, means weight. So weight we are going to measure in grams and kilograms. Grams are the smaller units and kilograms are the bigger, means larger units. So then here, so in this question what he is asking, tick the correct unit that will be used for measuring the weight of the following. So we have to tick the right one, grams or kilograms, which one we are going to use to measure the given following. The first one is pen stand is given in the picture. Pen stand. Pen stand weight is in grams, not in kgs. Kgs are the bigger units. So grams we are using to measure pen stand weight. So that is in grams. Then after that, the second picture pencil is given. So this pencil, so this is not in kgs, this is also in grams. The pencil we are going to measure in grams. The pencil weight we are going to measure in grams. Now the cot. Cot is given. So the cot is not in grams. So cot we are going to measure in kilograms. The third question answer is kilograms. The cot weight we are going to measure in kilograms. Now in the fourth, it is given in your textbooks, that is bed sheets. Bed sheets also in kgs we are going to measure in kgs, that is kgs that you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now students, see here, so measurement of mass weight. So in this, the second one, next question he has given, circle the one whose weight would be less than 1 kg. So here we have to guess and we have to circle which one is having less than 1 kg weight, which one is having less than 1 kg weight. Here 4 items are given, 4 objects are given, so 4 things are given, whatever it is. So the first one is pen, the first one is pen, the second one is watermelon is given, the third one is paper clip is given, the fourth one B, so that is pickle, C is given, pickles. So in this, which one weight is less than 1 kg he is asking. Obviously we know. So which one weight is less than 1 kg? So pen weight. The pen weight is less than 1 kg. Why? Because 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. We know 1000 grams. It means the pen weight is less than 1 kg. So circle this pen. Okay. Circle A1. So then second one, watermelon. So obviously watermelon weight is more than 1 kg. So don't circle that one. Then after that, paper clip. Paper clip is that is less than 1 kg weight. So circle paper clip. Okay. Then after that D. So D1 is pickle. So pickles. The weight is more than 1 kg only. So circle A1 and circle C. These two have less than 1 kg weight. One is a pen, the other one is paper clip. Okay. Now next, addition of kilograms and grams. Kilograms and grams we have to add. Now here, how to add? First grams we have to add smaller units. Extreme right digit we have to add 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5, 9. Again 4 plus 5, 5 plus 4. Same thing. Again it is 9. 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. 2 plus 2 again, 2 plus 2 in meters, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0 is 3. 34 kgs, 999 grams. Then after that, so in the second question, grams we have to add. 4 plus 5, again the same thing, here we added 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 7 plus 1, this is 7 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 5 again, 4 plus 5, 9. 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 99 kgs, 689 grams. Then 1 plus 1, that we know, 2. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus any number, the number itself. Then 0 plus 8, 8. 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. It means 58 kgs, 312 grams. Now 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 1 again 9. 6 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 1, 9. 9 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 plus 1, plus 3, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. It is 89 kgs, 909 grams. Now, here kgs and grams. First we add grams. In the grams extreme right digit we have to add 8 plus 1, that we know. 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 1 next. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 3. After that in meters. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 68 kgs, 969 grams. Now, in here last kgs and grams, first we add kgs. 8 plus 1, 8 fingers, then 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 1, 6 fingers and 1 finger. 6 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3, again 7. 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. 97 kg, 779 grams. So, in the addition kgs and grams, first we add grams. In the grams extreme right digit we have to add, then after that kgs we have to add. This is the method to addition of kilograms and grams. Okay. Now, the next here subtraction of kilograms and grams. Kilograms and grams we have to subtract. So, first smaller units we have to subtract, that is 5 minus 5. Same number minus same number is the difference 0. That is 5 minus 5, 0. Then 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4 means 1. 8 minus 1, that is 7. 2 minus 2, same number minus same number 0. 3 minus 0, any number minus 0 is the number itself. So, 8 minus 7, 8 minus 1, 7, 5 minus 4, 1, 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 2 is here 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, 3 minus 2, that is 1. Now, here, so 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 1, 3, 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, that is 1. 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5. 51 kgs, 254 grams. Now, first we subtract grams first. 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 4 next, 5 minus 4 is 1. 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 minus 7, 8 minus 7, 1. Again 8 minus 7 is 1. So, 11 kgs, 111 grams. Okay. Now, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3, 3. 4 minus 4, same number minus same number, difference is 0. Then 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. 9 minus 8, 9 minus 8 is 1 finger. 4 minus 3 is also 1. 11 kgs, 103 grams. Okay. Now, 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 3 is 3. 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1 is 6. 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. 16 kgs, 340 grams. Okay. Now, 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3, 6. 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2, 5. 56 kgs, 549 grams. Now, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, 2. 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4, 4. 6 minus 4, 2. 24 kgs, 212 grams. Now, 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3 is 5. 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1, 6. 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4, 3. 36 kgs, 450 grams. Okay, this is the minus. So, 36, it is not 36. 8 minus 4 is 4. 46 kgs, 450 grams. Okay. So, in this one more question is left, the same similar question that you do as your home assignment. Now students, next measurement of capacity. So, the next topic is measurement of capacity. So, the measurement of capacity we can measure in milliliters and liters. Milliliters are the smaller units to measure capacity and liters are the bigger units, larger units to measure capacity. Okay. Here in the next 10th question, what he has given, tick the one which has more capacity, So, in the first question what he has given, one teacup is given and one water bottle is given, teacup and water bottle. In the second one, bucket is given and water tank is given. So, in these two pairs, so we have to choose which has more capacity, In the first one, teacup means tea mug is given and after that water bottle is given. So, here, so obviously water bottle has more capacity, then tick water bottle, okay. Water bottle has more capacity. Then in the second pair, bucket is given and water tank is given. If we compare bucket and water tank, bucket is having more capacity and keep a tick mark on water tank. Water tank has more capacity. So, in first pair, water bottle has more capacity, so tick on water bottle, and the second pair, bucket and water tank has more capacity, so tick on water tank. Okay. Now see here, next measurement of capacity in that, the 11th question, take the correct unit that should be used for measuring the capacity of the following. In the first, what he has given, water tank is given. So, in water tank, the water is measured in liters or milliliters. Water tank is a bigger, holding bigger capacity. So, we can measure with a bigger units, that is with liters. So, liters is a correct. So, in water tanks, the water in water tank we can measure in liters. Okay. In the second, what he has given? So, here he has given milk can. So, milk also we can measure with liters. So, water here, milk can is also holding greater capacity. So, greater capacity means we have to use greater units. Length is a greater unit and milliliters are the smaller units. So, we have to use liters to measure milk quantity. Okay. In the third one, energy drink is given. Energy drink can is given. Energy drink can is a small, so we can use smaller units. So, milliliters are the smaller units. So, smaller units, that is milliliters. Energy drink is measured in milliliters. Okay. And after that, one more picture is given, senior textbook, that is water jug is given. So, that is also in milliliters we can measure. So, the quantity of water, whatever it is with a jug. So, that is ml. So, the last one, so that is as your home assignment you have to do. The first one, water tank holding a big capacity. So, bigger units we have to use liters. And after that, milk can Milk can is also so holding a big capacity, so that is the bigger units we have to use, that is liters we have to use. Then after that energy drink holding a small capacity, smaller units we have to use, that is milliliters. And in your picture the last one is given, that is water jug, so that is holding smaller quantity, so milliliters, so we have to use milliliters there. Okay, so this is the way we have to first think. So what capacity they are holding? A big capacity they are holding means liters, a small capacity they are holding means milliliters. Okay, now next, add and write. Addition of liters and milliliters. Now we are going to add liters and milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So that is why in milliliters place, so we will get 3 digits. Okay. Now first what we have to add milliliters, we have to add extreme right digit, that is first 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 how much? 5 plus 3 8. 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 9. 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1 9. Addition sign. Then milliliter part is over. Now liters. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 8. 83 liters, 998 milliliters. Now addition. Add 3 plus 6, 3 plus 6, 6 and 3, 9. 5 plus 4, 5 and 4, 9. Then after that 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. 76 liters, 699 milliliters. Now here also first milliliters we have to add 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. And next digit 6 plus 2, 6 and 2, 8. 5 plus 4, 5, 4, 5 plus 4, 9. After that 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. This is our addition. 68 liters, 989 milliliters. The next milliliters part we have to add first extreme right digit, that is 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 1 plus 5, same only. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 6 and 3 fingers, 9. After that next digit 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. This is our milliliter part is over. Now liters. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 93 liters, 796 milliliters. Okay. Now the next. See the question milliliters part we have to add extreme right digits we have to add 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. Next digit 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 78 liters, 769 milliliters. This is our addition. Okay. Now addition. In milliliters extreme right digit we have to add 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Then after 7 plus 1, 7 fingers, more 1 finger. 7 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 3, 4 fingers and 3 fingers. 4 plus 3, 7. 784 milliliters. Then liters part. 4 plus 5, 5 plus 4, same only. 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9. Then after that 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 49 liters, 784 milliliters. So this is the addition. Okay. Now next, subtraction of liters and milliliters. Subtraction now. So how to subtract? First, milliliters part we have to subtract, that is 5 minus 2, 5 fingers. In the 2 fingers we have to close. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then after that 7 minus 1, 7 in that 1 finger. So then 6. 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3. 363 milliliters. Now liters. 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3, 3. 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 2. 23 liters, 363 milliliters. Now here liters we have to subtract in the next question. First extreme right digit, that is 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, 3. 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 3 same number minus same number is 0. So that is 23 milliliters. Now liters. 2 minus 2 same number minus same number is 0. Then 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 70 liters, 23 milliliters. Now here milliliters part we have to subtract first. Extreme right digit 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3, 5. 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5, 2. 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, 3. 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4, 3. 33 liters, 425 milliliters. Okay. The next in fourth question milliliter part, first 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1, it is 7. The next digit 7 minus 6, in 7 6 fingers, 1. Again 7 minus 6 is 1, 4 minus 4 same number minus same number 0, then 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, it is 1. 10 liters, 117 milliliters. Next 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 2 next digit, 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 5 next digit, 6 minus 5, 1. 122 milliliters. Now liters after that. 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, 3. After that 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4 means 5. 53 liters, 122 milliliters. Now the next question, milliliters we have to subtract, that is extreme right digit we have to take 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, it is 1. So milliliter part is our next liters. 3 minus 3, same number minus same number 0. 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3, 5. 50 liters, 111 milliliters. Okay, so these are our answers.